building up too much on him.
Now in the final minute, this was the scoreline in Game 3. Cloud9 unable to take it, but Squishy now with a daily shot. He puts it through. He's been going for this stuff all season, and he pulls it off here in the most clutch moment.
The player to invent the shot himself is able to get the delayed front flip. Get the delayed front flip.